Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to properly clean your HP Deskjet printer in 2026. Now the regular cleaning is going to help fix faded prints, streaks, blank lines or paper feed problems, and it only take a few minutes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to turn off the printer and unplug it for safety. After that, open the top cover and remove the ink cartridges carefully. So after removing the ink cartridges, these are going to look something like this. So you need to start gently wiping the copper contacts on the cartridges in order to remove the dried ink and the dust. So this is going to be the copper contacts. Do not touch the ink nozzles directly, just clean around them carefully. Now you need to look inside the printer where the cartridges sits, basically this particular area. So here you need to wipe the matching contact points inside the printer using the same cloth. So this is going to help the printer read the cartridges properly and improves the ink flow. Now you can also clean the paper feed rollers. So when you look inside the paper tray area, you will see the small rubber roller. So you need to use a slightly damp cloth and gently rotate the rollers while wiping them. This removes the dust that causes the paper jams and feeding issues. Let everything dry for about a minute and put the cartridges back in. Close the cover and plug the printer in and turn it on. So you can print a test page in order to check the improvement. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.